So exporting and saving Figma file as JPEG is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to export and save your Figma file as JPEG. So for that we will go to the Figma website, of course, or you guys can also go to the application in case of your Android or iOS. Now after reaching the website, you have to select your project which you want to save. I'm just going to click on this project. Now here, this is the project I want to save. If your projects have multiple shapes, what you have to do is you have to select all of the shapes, and then you have to right click on that, and then you just have to click on this flatten button. What it will do is it will make this as a vector. After doing that, on the right side you will be able to see this option called export. You just have to click on this plus icon, and then you have to select the format. Here you guys can export in PNG, JPEG, SVG. I'm just gonna select JPEG and select export, and then I'm gonna click on export vector. And now my project from the Figma has been saved in JPEG format. I'm just gonna open it right now for you guys, and now this is the project that I just created right now. So that's pretty much it. That's how I do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.